Today I'm going to show you how many celery seeds to put in a winter sowing jug. This one is a gallon. That's mostly what I use, are water bottles, and we're going to put in Utah Tall Improved Celery, which, I mean, I can get that to 2.5 feet, even in containers and raised beds. So this is a very exciting thing to winter sow, and they winter sow beautifully. Now the seeds are like microscopic. Let's see if I can get a good focus there for you. Of course I'm not going to get it. Anyway, they're super teeny little seeds. And I can't show you on the video them going in because they're so small. But what I would do, there are a couple ways you can do it. You can make one seed in a hole, and it's a kind of a gamble, in which case I would do about 9 or 10. But I like to do about 5 seeds in a hole, 5 holes in a jug, and put multiple seeds in there. Like, I won't just do one seed because they're so small. Let me see if I get sunlight on them. Will that show it to you? I don't have my glasses on today, so I can't even tell. Yeah. See how small they are. So I might put 3, 4, 5 seeds in a hole because I've noticed celery likes to grow as a little bunches like that. And it seems to make a more robust bunch of celery when you put several seeds in a hole. I'm not an expert on celery, but I have grown 3 or 4 years of just really killer good celery. So I'm liking the multiple seeds. I'll probably do 5 holes, 2, 1 in the middle, and then 2 on the side, and put about 3, 4, 5 seeds in each hole and call it a day. So that's how many seeds I put in. But you're welcome to, I wouldn't broadcast them like you do with lettuce, like put them all over the soil. But if you're going to put 1 seed in, you're conserving your seeds, which I totally understand. Do 9 or 10, and they come up like really wispy, like horsehairs. And you think, this is pathetic. These things won't ever grow into big celery. But they do. And you just watch them every day, and they will get bigger and bigger, and then they're pretty easy to transplant. And I got quite a few videos on transplanting celery. So anyway, that's how you can check those out. Transplanting and growing and harvesting celery, just to see. So anyway, that's how many seeds I put of celery in my winter sowing jugs. Make sure you give this series a thumbs up if you like these. It lets me know to keep doing more. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'm loving sharing this with you. Go down in the comment section and let me know. Are you going to winter sow some celery? If you have, what's your favorite celery? And tell us your tips. Thanks so much for being with me. I'm sending you much love from my garden to yours.